Hi, so you tried installing Node.js on Windows 7. I got you. And you probably got some errors splashing and running to your face, right? Yeah, I also faced that. So, but lucky enough, with this package, you will be able to run Node.js on Windows 7. So now, let's go back in time where history has got all the answers. And so now follow along while liking this video made by Learn with Mbonis, and please subscribe as a token of appreciation, and let's begin. Okay, so a user asked you for this, right, to make a Node.js Windows 7 video. So yeah, I did my research. And I also wanted Node.js installed on my Windows 7 because Windows 7 runs smoothly on my computer. But let's begin. So first of all, you say Node.js download the first website from nodejs.org. That's the one which you're going to use. But here's the trick. Okay, we scroll below. As usual, scroll below in the way where it says previous releases. That's where we want to go. Just after clicking that, now we want to be able to write a certain version which is accepted by Windows 7, right? Yeah. So where in this box where it says type versions of Node.js, we have to write where it say Node.js, then 13.13. Exactly. This one, the 2020 version, that's the one which you want to download. So hit where it says downloads, and we have to search for ex file or a Microsoft installer, which is the one which is found below here. So for me, I'm using a 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to be using this one, this link. So after that, a pop-up it will start downloading a 25 megabytes file, and let's install. Let's wait for it to download. Okay, so it's finished downloading, right? So let's wait for it. Okay, then let's just say, okay, let's just wait. Okay, so say open, then okay, where is it? Where did it go? Come on. Okay, we click on run. In the same way which we do when installing other application or softwares, click next, and yes, accept. If you want to read, you just go through it. Then yes, this is the folder which you want to use. Select next. Okay, I think this is fine. Then okay, then automatically install the necessary tools. Yes, exactly the same way, same things which I came across when I was using Windows 10. Yeah. Okay, that was on dual boot. If you just need to know how to dual boot, just ask in the description. I'll just create a short video straight to the point so that I can show you. It won't waste your time because it will be short and precise. Okay, click. Okay, as you can see, the Node.js have been installed successfully on our Windows 7. So this message box will just show up, and yes, you have to click any key for this to continue, because there are some packages, the chocolate packages, which needs to be installed on our computer for us to be able to use Node.js on our Visual Studio Code, which we installed previously. Yeah. So let's just wait. So these are kind of like some
versions which are installed on Windows 8 and Windows 10, which are sometimes not necessary for us to have because we are running in Windows 7. Since you requested for Node.js installation, this is how we did it. So we click on enter to exit. Then for us to test this one, we have to click on the Windows button and R. Then we enter cmd, then click OK. Then we write what says node, then you put a negative sign, then you put a v. So it's going to check if Node.js installed. As you can see, Node.js version 13.13.0 is been successfully installed on our Windows 7 computer. Yeah, exactly. So this is how you install Node.js on Windows 7 operating system in 2022 and other years to come, as long as you use this method. Cheers. Bye for now.